is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, and it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way.
Hi my beautiful, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about my amazing trip to Maldives. I'm directly apologize. This guy will monitor me all video. If there are some strange voices in my camera, it's because of him. But I still like him. Girls, sometimes it's okay to have guys around. I think he just really want attention to him. You think that, oh my god, you have a lot of time there because there is nothing to do. No way. I will show you what I did. Just watch it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, and it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper. Been all for the ways, but everything again. Ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules. I've been making moves with everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the again. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been at it all on my own, holding tight to the patch. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you, afraid no one ever know me. I'm not near the edge, and I can't get us out of my head yet.
You know, everyone, like last 2 years, 1.5 years, it was almost impossible to travel. It was hard to have fun, to rest, to enjoy. But a lot of my friends already went to Maldives and asked me to come with them, but I was always super busy with work, with my new website, which I just landed. And now you can get online. Add here my website link, so you can sign up with any program what exactly fits for your body. Now it's online. So I was super busy. I couldn't go in April, May, but later I decided. I started to think, come on, I almost did before Corona came my fitness tour to Maldives. It's supposed to be a year ago, 27 of April, but it never happened. So when Corona came, 15th of March, 17th of March, I just gave back money to everyone who signed up with me for the fitness tour, and now I created other one. So 3-4 months for advertising, for check the best resort there, check the best trainers like yoga or aqua aerobic, check the island which has the more activities, actually not island, resort. So I decided to make luxury fitness tour. Stay at water villas, have workout in the morning, lectures in the evening, not to eat in normal cafeteria like everyone, to go for dinners to the Italian restaurant or other places if it's available. And I choose the best place. It was Sun Island Resort Spa. You can still check the information of my previous tour at my website, again adding my link here. So soon will be renewal. Soon you will get more information about next fitness tour, and you already can sign up with me. Just text me a DM. It's like the best luxury vacation what you will ever have. And second, you will get new knowledges, you will have physical activities, you will know about your personal diet. I'm gonna follow up 4 months more after our fitness tour, each of my girls.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down. deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
I had my birthday before my fitness tour, 13th of June. Directly before my fitness tour, I got amazing proposal for the video shoot in new musical clips, so I decided to take that time not to finish with my YouTube videos and my vlogs, just to film exact proper amazing videos for the guys. And next day directly I got my birthday, and next day I should travel for the fitness tour, so I was super busy, and it's just extra to my main work.
I know you don't want sugar, that's why I put on the side.
Thank you. Iced Americano because of hotness, and I didn't plan actually to do any vlogs here while it's summer, but today surprisingly cold, maybe 30 degrees, so it's similar to Maldives, but with their weather was insane, 27-30 degrees. I actually did a lot of talking there, and because I used microphone in wrong way, it didn't have any sounds. I just was talking without any sounds, more than hours of talking. It's not a, if you see my face there in 2 times bigger than now. I was eating sugar a lot, I enjoyed a lot. It was like proper 4 days vacation there. Actually, like, I wanted to post this video earlier, but the heart reader what I get exact for Maldives fitness tour, and I was keeping all my videos there, it's just after the tour was damaged, so I spent like almost months to recover it and make this video. I already created 2 videos of my class of stretching, was aqua aerobic class, yoga, a lot of activities like every evening, or fire show or light show, belly dance, everything. It was literally amazing. One of my girl, she was staying with me in same room. She's like, she never did any exercises with us, and she told me each time when we was going like for the breakfast or dinner, she was telling me, Yul, for me it's already fitness tour because I done a lot of walking and I never did this much of walking in my life. So for me it was the best fitness tour ever. Thanks. I did compare a lot of stuff between Dubai and Maldives, and I realized that in Dubai weather 9 months in a year the same, literally the best. At Maldives 12, also the best, amazing weather, sometimes raining. What for sure you should try at Maldives, Thai massage there, unbelievable. And if compare with fun in Dubai, fun at Maldives, Dubai much more fun actually. What I understand for 100%, you cannot keep yourself in schedule somewhere on your vacation. So just enjoy, rest, have fun, and don't go for long, like 3-4 days at Maldives, more than enough. Just to rest, sleep, have fun, go massage. Girls, I hope you enjoy this video. Put likes if you like it, subscribe at my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you in next my video. We'll have some vlog surprise for you. I'm traveling again, so